Okay, so here we go. About to do the cold, put the cold air intake on there. But here's the before video of the stock intake system. Yeah, just want to do a little short video with the stock, showing the stock intake. And I'm about to change that and come back with the video of the new intake system on there, cold air intake. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, that's how the box look. The mass flow air sensor, or whatever it's called. The filter box. About to change that. See if I get a little more horsepower and fuel economy.